welcome to the third edition of Dietitian Review. Okay, I want to thank you for joining us once again, and it's the third series. And somebody might be wondering why why are we doing this? Before I tell you, I want you to go now to the subscribe channel. Okay, click that subscribe button. Okay, click the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell so that you will be getting to know when we release a new video. This is a series. It's our nutrient series, and you can't afford to miss this opportunity to learn from the experts themselves. I'm Dietitian Fechi, and this is our nutrient series. So, why are we doing this? You begin to wonder. Yes, we are doing it because we want to help people have confidence in their food. We've discovered that a lot of you eat ignorantly. You're not sure of what you're eating. You're not convinced about what you're eating. Some people eat just to fill their stomach, and that's not the idea behind food. Food has things in them that you need to know what they do in your body. Foods have nutrients in them, and these nutrients they help perform specific functions. And so, if you don't know about what functions some of these foods or these nutrients perform in your body, you would struggle a lot, and then you will eat anything just to keep the body going. Okay, so today we'll be dealing with protein. Like I said, protein is one of the macronutrients that help in the body functions. Okay, it helps the body do several biological processes. Okay, so what exactly does protein do? Before I go into what protein do, there are sources of protein. You can get protein from your meat, all forms of meat. They are very high in protein. Okay, all forms of meat, they are very high in protein. And then you can get it from your egg, you can get it from your legumes, you can get it from your milk. Yes, you can get it from your milk. You can get protein from some of the nuts. Okay, you can also get like your cashew nut. It has some amount of protein, and then you can also get it from some seeds. Yes, you know breadfruit. Breadfruit is a kind of seed, and we have a lot of protein in it. And also there are other things that something like your your uwa in Igbo. Okay, I think we call it forgotten the name in English. Okay, but it has a lot of protein in it. Okay, so these are some of the sources of protein, and then we go into what are the functions of protein. You'll be asking, what does protein do? Protein helps in the growth and repair of worn out cells, tissues, and organs. Okay, it helps in the growth, worn out cells, tissues, and even organs. Protein helps in replacing some of the worn out cells, tissues, and organs that have issues. Okay, so how does protein do this? It does it in 4 different ways. Okay, protein acts as an immune system. It improves your immune system. Protein helps the immune system. It helps the function of immune system. So anything that wants to fight against the body, protein wages a war. It's part of the things that wages a war against it. Okay, so protein serves as a protective measure against anything that wants to fight the body. Okay, so protein also serves as an enzyme. You know, there's this saying that all enzymes are protein, but not all proteins are enzymes. So protein, every enzyme you know that works in the body, they have the nature of a protein in them. Okay, they have some measure of protein in them. So those enzymes, they have protein. Okay, so all enzymes, protein in nature. Okay, so protein also serves as a messenger. Protein goes on errand. It's like an errand boy. Protein goes on errands for the body, sending signals, the impulses about. Protein serves as errand boy for the body. It goes on different kinds of errands in the body, both for the DNA processes and all that. Protein helps, in going for some of those messages. Okay, it sends messages. So protein also serves, acts as a transporter, is a logistic agent for the body. Protein, binds itself to particular nutrients and takes it to where those nutrients are needed. Okay, it binds itself to some nutrients. I think iron, protein also binds itself to iron and some other nutrients like that. Okay, so protein acts as a transporter, okay, for the body. All right, so what happens when protein is deficient in the body? What happens when protein is deficient in the body? Some of these processes, they are compromised. There is a compromise in the growth of the body. Okay, there's a compromise in the repair of worn out tissues. Okay, and that's why for children they can suffer from kwashiorkor and marasmic kwashiorkor, and they have issues with the immunity, the enzyme actions, the messages that are not sending as they ought to, and then some of the nutrients, due to they are not transported, because protein does that binding to transport some nutrients, they are not getting to where they are. So there is problem with absorption. So a whole lot of problem develops in the body because protein action is compromised. Okay, so what happens when protein is in excess in the body? There's only one problem that happens, and that's the kidney. The kidney is what helps, to work on the proteins. The proteins, they are not stored in the body. They are made use of. They are not really stored. They don't have an organ, just like carbohydrates can be stored as glycogen in the liver and the muscles. Proteins, they are not stored anywhere in the body. They just exist as amino acid. They flow around. So when there is need for any amino acid that wants to produce anything, they are collated, okay, and they perform that specific function at that time. But for them, they are not stored in any place of the body. So when you eat a lot of it that the body can handle, okay, especially your kidney is at risk when you eat a lot of protein. Okay, so these are things you need to be watchful of. So eat as much as the body needs. The body is said to, everyone needs, a normal person needs about 0.5 gram per kg body weight. So it means that you know your weight, you multiply, by 0.8 for a normal person. Multiply your weight by 0.8, you know the quantity of protein you need per day. Okay, so that's how you do it. All right, so this is it for protein, and I hope to see you next time where we'll be discussing about fat. Okay, but before you leave, make sure you click on that subscribe button, click on that button, and then click on the notification, comment, like, share, and let us know what you think about these videos. And remember, it's your dietitian's review, and my name is Dietitian Fechi. I'll see